Welcome to this very easy tutorial on how to add a cute chalk background to any of your coloring pages. So what I recommend doing is this is for chalk and I have four different shades. I really only used two to three of them for this background. You're going to start with your darkest color closest to your image and we're just going to go in and add the chalk all around the photo. I find that it's easier to do this after your picture is colored because if you accidentally get it on your flowers or whatever your drawing is, it wipes off easily over top of your colored pencil. Whereas when I had done this first before I colored the image in, it actually was difficult to color over the mistakes with my colored pencils. So I definitely recommend doing this last. Once you have your chalk laid down, you're going to go in with a folded up piece of paper towel, Kleenex, tissue, whatever you have handy, and you're just going to blend that out. You're going to smooth it all out. You can leave some darker areas, some lighter areas as you go. You're just going to go ahead and smooth out that chalk outline. Now that you can see that it's all blending out nicely, you're going to go in and you're going to add the dark color around your entire image. In all the spaces, we're just going to go ahead and lay the rest of the chalk out and then blend it all in all at once. Now that we have the darker color all laid out, we're going to go ahead and take a lightish color and just do the very outside all around your photo. If you'd like, you can also go from the dark to a more of a medium color and then into the lighter color, but I found for me personally just going from dark to light worked. Once I blended it all out, it looked nicely. So now that that chalk's all laid down, I'm just going to go in my paper towel again and blend it all out, getting it in all of the little crevices. In between blending it, you'll get a lot of little chalky bits. So I find just having a garbage nearby where I can shake off those chalk like fragment pieces into the garbage and then keep working worked nicely for me and didn't end up making too much of a mess. Now that it's all blended out, you can go ahead and add any more coloring that you need in order to blend out those two different colors a little bit more. I found I had a little bit of harsh lines in some of the dark areas, so I just wanted to add some more of that light color to really have a nice blend between the two. And this is the finished coloring page. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.